Alright, so now we focus on this on data transmission specifications. Okay, what it means by data transmission specification. Okay, it will determine the rules and the processes of how messages are being transmitted from a sending device to a receiving device across the communication channel. Okay, there are several factors that affects the data transmission, which include the bandwidth and the network protocol. Okay, so what is a bandwidth? Okay, bandwidth is a measurement of the width or capacity of the communication channel. How much information can move across the communication channel in a given amount of time. Okay, so actually we have 4 categories of bandwidth. Okay, we have voice band, that is known as low bandwidth. We have medium band, we have broadband, and we have baseband. But for your syllabus, we just focus on broadband. Okay, so what is a broadband? Okay, it's widely used by DSL, cable, and satellite connections for high capacity transmissions. Several users can simultaneously use a single broadband connection for high-speed data transfer. Okay, bandwidth is usually expressed in bits per second or byte per second. Okay, all right. Protocols. Okay, so protocols for data transmission to be successful, sending and receiving devices must follow a set of communications rules for exchange of information. Okay, protocols are the rules for exchanging data between computers. Okay, so we have TCP/IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol, are 2 different procedures that are often associated together. Okay, so each computer, alright, each computer on the internet has its own identification unique address that we call it as IP address. Okay, and then transmission control protocol or packetization is a process, okay, whereby there is 3 things. Okay, there is 3 processes. Okay, so what is identification? Every computer on the internet has a unique numeric address that we call it as IP address. Okay, so it uses a domain name server, DNS, domain name server, that automatically will convert the text-based addresses to numeric IP address, while packetization or transmission control protocol, okay, the information sent or transmitted across the internet usually travels through numerous interconnected networks. Before a message is sent, it is reformatted or broken down into small parts that we call it as a packets. Each packet is then sent separately over the internet, possible traveling different routes to one common destination. At the receiving end, the packets are reassembled into the correct order.